Bad Homburg Castle, Schloss Bad Homburg, or Homburg Palace is a castle and palace in the German city of Bad Homburg vor der Höhe. Originally the residence of the Landgraves of Hesse-Homburg. It was first built in the 12th century. Dining room in the English wing all but the keep was demolished in 1660 by Frederick II, Landgrave of Hesse-Homburg. He replaced the old castle with a new one designed by Paul Andrich between 1680 and 1685. Its grounds and gardens were landscaped in the 18th and 19th centuries, including the addition of the Gothic House. It was built for Princess Elizabeth, a daughter of King George III of the United Kingdom, the wife of Frederick VI, Landgrave of Hesse-Homburg. The couple had the palace renovated and furnished in contemporary style, including the English wing. In particular, the British princess realized her passion for garden art, which can still be experienced in the castle park today. After Prussia's annexation of Hesse-Homburg in 1866 following the Austro-Prussian War, it became a summer residence for the kings of Prussia. William I stayed at the castle several times, as did his son and successor Frederick III and Frederick's wife Victoria, a daughter of the British Queen Victoria. The castle was a particular favorite of Frederick, and he added bathrooms, telephone rooms and electricity and merged some rooms. His son William II and the latter's wife Augusta Victoria also used the palace as a summer residence and refurbished the royal wing. After the German Revolution of 1918–1919, the castle was administered by the Free State of Prussia. After Hitler came to power in 1933, he offered William II, who was living in exile in Höhe in the Netherlands, a return to Germany to bring him under his control, and Homburg Palace as a residence, but the ex-Kaiser refused. After the dissolution of the state of Prussia in 1945, the palace was taken over by the state of Hesse. From 1947 it housed the Verwaltung der staatlichen Schlösser und Garten Hessen, Hesse administration for state castles and gardens. Today, it is a museum. Bad Homburg vor der Höhe is the district town of the Hochtaunus, Hesse, Germany, on the southern slope of the Taunus Mountains. Bad Homburg is part of the Frankfurt-Rhein-Main urban area. The town's official name is Bad Homburg versus die Höhe, which distinguishes it from other places named Homburg. The town has become best known for its mineral springs and spa, hence the prefix Bad, meaning bath, and for its casino. As of 2021, Bad Homburg was one of the wealthiest towns in Germany, while the Hochtaunus itself and the Landkreis Starnberg in Bavaria regularly vie for the title of the wealthiest district in Germany. As of 2004, the town used the marketing slogan, Champagne Air and Tradition. Local tradition holds that Bad Homburg's documented history began with the mention of the Villa Tiedenheim in the Lorsch Codex. Associated with the year 782, this Villa Tiedenheim was equated with the historic city center, which is called Dietigheim. The local historian Rüdiger Kurth has questioned this traditional story based on his study of written sources and local factors. In 2002, Kurth initiated archaeological excavations by the University of Frankfurt, managed by Professor Joachim Henning. The excavations showed no evidence of settlement between the beginning of the Christian era and the 13th century. It seems that the historical record in the Eberbach Chronicles, Eberbacher Zugenreiche, which mentions Wortwin, or Ortwin, von Hohenberg as Homburg's founder about 1180 is the first solid evidence of the town's existence. That is all. Subscribe and post comments for future videos.